don't have to be serious. This is FabFitFun. We bring y'all the fun. Oh, what were your points?
Oh, I don't have any.
You don't look water.
I know you're lying. Gosh, it smells like butter.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
What is up, Nova Nation? My name is Vana SUPERNOVA, and this is Kayla from Day2Day Davis. Kayla, would you like to tell us a little bit about your channel before we jump into mine?
Hey guys, I'm Kayla, like B said, from Day2Day Davis. We are a family vlog channel based here in South Florida, and we do a range of everything fun family, okay? From jet skiing, boat riding,
Boat life.
okay, pool life. We're all about that South Florida atmosphere. So if you're interested in having a good time, family fun oriented type atmosphere, definitely check us out over there. We'd love to have you.
For sure. I said for sure.
For sure.
So today we actually have the FabFitFun box, and if you would like to see the unboxing, be sure to check out Kayla's channel. I'll link that down below. But if you want to see our thoughts on the products, stay tuned. Okay, so getting started, we're gonna try some of the masks, and we're gonna use them on the palm of our hands because these are very sensitive areas, and a lot of these are like catch-all masks or wrinkle-free masks. So we're gonna use them right here, and we'll let you know how they feel. What do you want to use first, Kayla?
I mean, you put this one in front of me. So
Yeah, I did.
We'll use the blue matcha restoring mask. It's an antioxidant rich skin balancing mask. So we'll go ahead and use this one first.
And if you want to see the full line of products, like I said, you can check out Day2Day Davis. They have the full line of products that came in the FabFitFun box, the spring box. You don't want to miss it. It's about $200 worth of product for only $40. What does it smell like?
Like looking at it, I thought it was gonna smell like perm.
You see what happens when you're locked too long?
I was like,
That is hilarious.
But it doesn't. Like, I almost thought it was gonna smell like perm. Like it almost smelled like perm for a second because I thought it was gonna smell like perm.
It doesn't smell chemically.
No.
Like it doesn't smell like that. It smells more like a clay.
Yeah.
It has a clay-like smell to it. Like a clay mixed with some kind of essential oil that I can't put my finger on.
Yeah. I don't know what it is, but I've smelled that.
Let me make sure I don't have any lotion or anything on. I have like water.
This is gonna
and
feel so smooth.
Hopefully, that's what I'm hoping for. I hope it makes it feel like very, very smooth. Blue matcha.
I've seen green matcha. I've never seen blue
Just
matcha.
a little bit. I'm putting just a dab on there. How long are we supposed to leave it on?
Well, I guess we should have read the instructions first, but...
Right. I could be burning my freaking hand off for all I know.
Apply generously over face, avoiding the eye area until the beautiful blue color is covering the desired areas. Leave on until the blue has completely faded and then rinse with warm water.
Okay, so I don't have warm water right here. It's cold, but I'm still gonna leave this on as I try the next product. So we're gonna let this sit during the review.
I guess I probably should put on more because mine like absorbed instantly. We're gonna have soft hands.
Right?
Soft hands.
Okay, so while we wait for that, on this other hand, I wanna try this one. So I'll open this one. This one is from 111 Skin. It's not 111 Skin, and it's not 3
It's
Skin.
not 3 skins.
It's
111.
111 Skin, because I would have said all the above. I would have totally tore up the name of that.
Deborah had me lying. It was another girl here on YouTube who received the box, and she was talking about that product. And I mean, out of everything she said about the product, that's the part I remember. Get that name right.
Yeah, get the name right. we got the name right, because we would have struggled over that. And it comes in a dropper.
Cute. It's
This
so
is cute.
fancy. It's like rose gold.
That's really, really nice. Oh!
The liquid is rose gold.
How did they make rose gold? Okay, let me drop it on your other hand.
It's so pretty.
One drop. Wait, we didn't even read the freaking instructions.
Oh my god, you guys.
The directions
literally
says,
like gold. Is there real gold? I think it's real gold in here.
It says shake well before use. Oh my god, your hand is gonna fall off. Okay. Wait, thank god I only did 1 drop. Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer or apply directly to the skin after cleaning. Okay, we're good, we're good. Let me do 1 more drop after mixing. Oh, I see the gold now.
Dude, like girl, it's gold in here.
Hold on. Boom. Okay. I have 2 drops. Don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but I have 2 rose gold drops. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, it's not even rose gold, it's gold.
It's gold. That's what I said. It's like I feel like I have liquid gold on my hand.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells like butter. I like this one a lot.
I'm gonna use this.
Wait. Wait a minute. Wait.
This feels
It feels like
great.
very moisturizing. It's not oily whatsoever.
No, oh my god, this is some good stuff.
No, this one's like my favorite. I thought the finishing spray was gonna be my favorite. I haven't tried the finishing spray yet, but I think this one is by far like my fave. This feels so good. Like when you rub it all the way in, it's like very silky smooth. It feels like silk. There we go.
Yo, I'm sitting up here like, it does. Gold. It's real gold. Oh my god, it's real gold.
Wait a minute, there's gold on my hand.
There's real gold in this 111 skin product. I was like, where's the ingredients where it says gold? There it is, right in my face. After it says, it has radish root, ferment filtrate, something called tetrasodium and phosphate, and then gold. Oh, and it got silver.
What?
It got gold and silver in it.
So it does leave like little flakes on your hand, like little tiny ones, but mine are disappearing. Yeah. No, it doesn't smell like, I don't smell anything.
It doesn't smell like gold.
What does gold smell like?
It has gold and silver in it. This is some good stuff though. Like seriously, if I thought it was trash, I'd be like, y'all don't waste your money.
Yeah. My wish is still drying. Is your wish dried?
Oh, I finally see the that one. Sorry, I was looking at this one. I didn't see the gold flakes till now.
Yeah, the gold flakes. You have to like move your
It
arm.
gives you like bronzy. So like if you're out in the sun,
There's a shimmer.
Ooh, this is good. Like I'll drop some right here and like.
You are so true.
Let's use them. We're gonna be going to the pool today, anyways. We're gonna be glistening out.
Oh,
there.
shut up. Stay tuned to Day2Day to see the pool. They have the most beautiful pool I've ever seen. Like literally, it's huge.
Aw, thank you.
It's very, very nice. There's 2 left, Kayla.
Okay, so we both are scared of this one.
Yeah, I'm scared. I don't know what's gonna happen here.
Okay, so finishing spray.
My wish is still drying. I wish it would finish drying.
Did we put too much?
I think I did it right.
It said until it was like in your skin.
Mine is.
Oh, it's still dry.
Yours is still drying.
Yeah, because it said wait until it was like in your skin. Like it's a weightless mist. Okay, it's gonna keep your makeup looking flawless, and it's gonna lock in the color. Okay, it's gonna help prevent makeup from creasing or melting. I feel like my
that's
makeup
why. Yeah,
melts.
that's why I was saying my finishing sprays always melt. Because we live in Florida, South Florida at that, and literally you have to have like the best finishing spray if you want it to last all day.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're gonna look a melted hot mess by like 5.
AKA, guys, is formulated for sensitive skin. It's eye tested and it's oil free, cruelty free. I wear contacts, so that's good that it's eye tested.
Ditto.
And I do have sensitive skin, so I'm glad.
Ditto.
The last finishing spray that I used, I got it out of like the beauty supply store, so I don't really know how like straight up that was.
Girl,
But
the
listen,
risk you took.
I use LA Girl Pro Styler from the beauty supply store, and that's life. So
Okay, I have it on right now. LA Pro.
all right, so let's go ahead and try the Scandinavia finishing. I don't have on foundation, but I do have on concealer on my eyes
And eyeshadow.
and a little bit of concealer on my brows. So let's see if my brows melt today. See, okay, so wait, it said
Let me take a sip while she does this because I'm
shake
nervous.
well, apply over makeup, spray 2 to 4 times in an X and T formation. So go like this and like this. Like I feel like it's like going to X and like T formation.
What is she looking for? Okay, so I'm gonna try the Scandinavia right now. Nothing's coming out. Why are you running away? I hope it's not watery. Jesus, I love my makeup today. Come on, Scandinavia, come through.
You don't look watery.
You could try it as this dries.
It's a do X and T. So.
I know you're lying. I know you're lying.
I can't breathe.
I'm gonna drink. I can't.
I'm holding my breath.
Oh my goodness. You want me to do it for you, friend?
I got it.
She's trying to catch it. She did 1 spray.
I did one. I tried to do like the instructions. It said do an X and then a T.
I like the way it feels, but there's a smell. The leaf extract.
Oh.
It's definitely
It does feel
aloe.
light.
It's the aloe I'm smelling. So, I mean, I think this is straight, but you'll have to check out Kayla's pool party video to see if my makeup is still on point. If it's still on point, I do currently have finishing spray, but I think that this on top of it, my makeup should be like lit. If my makeup's not lit at the pool party, then Scandinavia, this is all on you, okay?
Let me put a little bit more right.
Round 2. Round 3. Girl, what?
makeup here. I didn't get my eye. This is my eyebrows. I'm trying to protect y'all.
Oh my god, oh my god. I think we're good, I think we're good. We're both kind of afraid to use this because this is like an anti-wrinkle treatment and it has like laser lights. I'm pretty sure it's not a laser. I don't think you're supposed to say that. It's infrared. Infrared?
Girl, it includes 3 AAA batteries.
Oh, battery included. Boom. Okay. Go ahead, boss lady.
You can use it on your forehead. Yeah. You can use it. Look guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like.
It's like a flashlight.
When you have this, you have like Boss beauty product.
I'm scared. Let me read the instructions. It says it's 97% safe and natural. What about the other 3%? Is it 3% not safe and natural? So we're gonna do the light sensitivity test. We're not gonna actually like full blown do our face or anything like that. We're supposed to be placing the device on our skin within 1/4 inch of the skin. Okay, I don't know within 1/4 inch.
Oh, like don't actually touch my skin.
Oh, don't actually touch your skin. 1/4 of an inch away from your skin. Okay.
So I'll do my arm. Don't go like this.
Well, this is an inch.
Go like this. Don't touch your skin is what they're saying.
Yeah, don't
just
push it on there.
get really close and then lift it up. Don't look into the light.
I forgot how long.
Well, actually, let me use it right
it's
here because
burning?
I have a wrinkle. No, I'm gonna use it right here because I have a wrinkle right there.
It's burning her already. So it says for 3 minutes. Oh
I have a wrinkle on my arm right now anyways from my dress, so we'll see if it gets this wrinkle out. Oh, it shuts off on its own.
Oh,
so it does
that
the
was
timer
3
for
minutes.
you.
Oh, and the timer just went off.
Yeah. So don't worry, it won't go for too long.
How do you feel? Are you
Let's
okay?
see. I feel fine.
I don't know. That's something, I don't know. So I guess all we can do is test the sensitivity in 2 hours when we're at the pool
Well, I'm
party.
not sensitive, so
You're not?
No, it didn't burn me. Is that what that meant? Like it was supposed to burn me?
I'll double check with her at the pool party. At the pool party, for sure we're gonna know. If there's like any redness, you'll see it on her. You will see the redness, like we'll notice it. So I think that's all we have. So now we could wash off our mud and then.
Oh, it's kind of soaked in a little bit. Mine's just dry. Is yours dry?
Yeah, mine is dry.
Oh, it went back like creamy.
It did. I still have the rose goldy thing on there. So I'm trying to like.
Look, the flakes are still there.
Yeah, I see your flakes, especially right here on your wrist. Yeah, I see your flakes. It feels really smooth. I don't have any like staple mask that I use. Like I don't have a current skin regimen, but stay tuned because I will have a skin regimen really soon. So what was your favorite product?
I would say, all right, so out of all my products, the favorite one I would have to say, well, I don't know if it was my favorite, but it was the most intriguing to me. It was this rose gold.
Yeah.
Like it went on like silk and it had like instant
Mine
gratification.
Yeah, instant gratification.
It had instant gratification. I didn't have to wait and it was just like, boom, there it is. And I believe it gives you that bronze look because it has the gold flakes. So if you're outside on the boat chilling, relaxing, or at the pool, or just outside in general, like you got that J-Lo glow, like that Beyonce
J-Lo glow.
Like you're gonna get that Beyonce glow. Like it's shimmering on my hand. And I went to the restroom and washed my hand and it's still there.
Shimmering, yeah. My favorite has to be a tie between these two because I like how both feel right now. Like this feels very smooth. Like once it dried, I really could feel how smooth it is. And this one, I love the radiance it gives me. I love anything radiant, like you said. Like when we're by the pool, we could like dip it right here. And it's just like check out my bling because it's real gold and real silver.
Yes,
it's
I can't believe it.
Yeah, in
Like,
Florida, that's like a must. Anywhere hot and sunny is just like check out my bling. But I can't imagine like this like drying the skin or doing anything because I do have sensitive skin somewhat, so I can't imagine that this will do anything, but I'll let you know. I'll keep you up to date. Like I said, pool party shout out. So I'll most definitely let you guys know. So these are the 4 products we wanted to try. If you want to check out the rest, don't forget to check out Day2D's channel, link down below. If you enjoyed it here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss a thing. We will see you in the next video. Bye.